Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a nice move. Now, yeah, it did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where the price was not that long ago to where it is right now, the price did definitely make some upwards make some upwards progress, in the right direction. Still a lot of work to be done. Like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due. The price did show some signs of strength, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right up here at 19.5 cents. Why is 19.5 important? Hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 19.5. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of the range of the chart where it already was. I mean, it's been down in that section, and for it to break down below and continue to separate, like I said, literally is putting it right into that area once again. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, however, like it's done in the past a couple of times, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows down there. You'd even have that low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, progress, quote unquote, once more being defined and quantified as 19.5 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to touch on that right now because in my opinion, going forward, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking areas of resistance, but more so going through some healthy consolidations and trying to chip away and build higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this nice movement they had today or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.